Tired of bank transfers that feel like they're taking your money and your sanity? You know the ones, the complex forms, the mysterious fees, and the long wait times that leave you wondering if your money ever even arrived. When you need to send money abroad, you want it to be simple, fast, and transparent. Well, what if I told you there's a better way, right on your phone? Monese is a mobile money app that makes international transfers easy. Whether you're sending money home to your family, paying a bill in another country, or just helping a friend out, Monese lets you do it without the usual hassle. And the best part? The entire process is handled within the app, so you have full control and visibility every step of the way. So, how do you do it? It's simple. First, make sure you have the Monese app and an account set up. From your home screen, you'll see a pay option at the bottom. Tap on that. Now, you have two choices: send money to someone you've paid before, or make a new payment. If it's a new payment, select New Payment in the corner. You'll then be prompted to enter the recipient's name and the currency you want to send. Next, you'll need to add their bank details. This usually includes their full name, and either an IBAN for European transfers or a SWIFT code and account number for other countries. Don't worry, the app will guide you on what information is needed for the country you're sending to. Once you've entered the details, just type in the amount you want to send. Before you confirm, Monese shows you the exchange rate and any fees clearly up front, so there are no surprises. You'll know exactly how much your recipient will get. Finally, review the details to make sure everything is correct. Give the payment a reference if you want to, and then approve the payment. That's it. Monese processes the transfer, and you'll get a notification when the money arrives. For transfers between Monese accounts, it's instant and free. For other international transfers, the money typically arrives within a few business days, depending on the destination. You'll be able to track its progress right there in the app. No more guessing, no more waiting on hold with your bank. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.